Before we start configuring our Nginx web service, we need to understand the terminology used in the configuration files, as these terms get used in the documentation too. There's two main terms, namely contexts and directives. Essentially, directives is specific configuration options being set in the configuration files and consists of an option name and an option value. Contexts, on the other hand, is sections within the configuration file where directives can be applied to that context. Context can also be thought of much like scope in programming language. Nginx uses nested contexts, with the topmost simply being the configuration file itself. This is called the main context and is where options for the master process get set. Other important contexts include the HTTP context for anything HTTP related, the server context, which is just the equivalent of an Apache vhost, and location contexts for matching URI locations on incoming requests to the parent server context. In the next video, we'll start putting all this into practice by creating our very first vhost.